Over time, Jira instances can amass thousands of configuration elements, including issues, workflows, custom fields, apps, and many more. Top it off with constant change requests from users, and this can easily create hundreds of configuration errors in Jira, which ultimately prevents you as the admin from doing your job smoothly and effectively. While the native integrity checker can help you detect certain error types in a few configuration elements, what if you wanted more flexibility and to see a comprehensive view of the errors across all configuration elements? Enter Integrity Check for Jira. This app empowers you to quickly identify, locate, and resolve configuration errors, even offering quick fixes for some of the most common errors in Jira. Let's dive in a bit deeper. Simply run the integrity check on your entire system or selected projects and see a list of detected errors across all configuration elements. Also, you can identify references to a wide range of missing objects in the configuration, like missing custom fields, groups, users in workflows, groups in project roles, and more. Now, what about fixing these errors? Integrity Check helps you resolve the most common problems in Jira configurations with a single click. For example, if the app detects an agile board is referring to a missing filter, the Quick Fix interface enables you to delete the agile board within the same screen with a single click, so you don't have to navigate all over your instance and database to make corrections, saving you a tremendous amount of tedious, risky work. One of the best features of Integrity Check is the ability to limit the scope of where you're looking for errors. You can choose how to run an integrity check for the whole system, for selected projects, or just for the last fail snapshot if you're using it as part of Configuration Manager for Jira. That way, you can check only the configuration elements in the scope that you are currently interested in, without the need to inspect the whole Jira instance. Whether you're trying to find and fix errors that are preventing Jira from running smoothly and users from doing their jobs, or trying to ensure projects deployed to a new system are error-free, Integrity Check can help you. Integrity Check for Jira is available as a standalone app or as part of Configuration Manager for Jira. Download a free trial on the Atlassian Marketplace today.